Hello everyone, I am Diksha Gaur pursuing MCA integrated course from IAPS DAVV. I am a third year student. I am excited to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is the first video series of data science, the introductory analytics with Python. So our first video series in this about the basics of Python or many more. So here are the several topics which we cover in this video series are. Now, you may have a question about what is data science. So, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. It combines elements of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to solve complex problems and make data driven decisions. Example, project involving predictive modeling, big data analysis, or AI applications. In this video, we will explore more about an introduction to data analysis and how to get started with Python for data science. With a strong interest in helping others learn and grow in the field of data science, I am here I am here to share my knowledge and tips about the data science. So this here are some several topics which we cover in this video series are. So let's see about first. So this is the basics of coding is the first topic. Now let's see. Using commands. Comments are piece of code that are not executed by the compiler. Comments are lines of code that programmer put there for others to understand the code better. कमेंट्स एक पीस ऑफ कोड है जो कभी भी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता है, वो सिर्फ प्रोग्रामर को समझने के लिए यूज होता है. द पर्पस ऑफ comments are line of code that are not executed by the compiler, and the importance of comments help to programmer to understand code better and explain its functionality. Now, the comments in Python start with the pound sign, the hashes sound. Now, let's see in our Google Colab. Google Colab is basically we will doing things in a Google Colab, which is like a book, and from here we can upload. This is the single line comment and this is the multi-line command. Here comments can't be executed. Now our next topic is executing commands in Python. Executing commands comments can't be executed, but we will share. So we will use by run selection. By the run button we will run this execute the commands. Shortcut keyboard shortcut also, and commands are not compiled and we will not produce output. Comments are not compiled by the compiler. Now let's see in Google Colab. We will execute the code. So when we will click in the run button, the code we will execute it. So this is the hello world code which we execute in this code. Now the next one is importing packages in R Python. Here we will import the packages by the pandas and numpy packages. So these are the pandas and numpy packages. To import these packages, we need to type and run the following two lines of code. So जब हमें पैकेजेस को इंपोर्ट करना रहेगा तो सबसे पहले हमें pandas की हेल्प से इंपोर्ट करना होगा और सेकंड numpy की हेल्प से इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So we will use the import pandas as PD, and second one is import numpy as NP. Packages contain pre-written code for complex data science tasks. Now the syntax for the importing packages. So use the import keyword followed by the package name and use the s keyword to rename the packages. Firstly, we have to import the packages. So write import as pandas pd. Now this is to import the packages. I have import the google drive to import as in this. Now the next one is getting data into R. The command read CSV comes from the pandas package. We imported the pandas package as PD. After importing the pandas package, we can access the read CSV command by typing PD. To use the read CSV command, type PD followed by a period, then the command read CSV. The next part of the code is the part 2 data file. It contained in double quotes. Example. Here are the example of the data, getting data into Python. So the use uh, the use of the read CSV command is for the pandas package, and the path and the file path is specified the path to the data file in double quotes. The example for the getting data as pandas package is this. Now let's see if we execute the code. If we execute the import of pandas, so this is the import of the panda package. Now let's see our next topic. The next one is saving output in Python. To save it, we will add a name for the saved item and an equal sign to the left of the command that is generated the output. The command pd.cross tab. This is the example of the saving output. So if we will see the code, we will run the output and the contact history table displayed. If we see, so the table for the this is the table this is the table to save the output. Now the accessing records and variables in Python. Use We will access the records and variables. We will access the records and variables by the code in Python. So this presentation has provided basics of introduction to coding in Python and covering essential concepts and practical applications. So thank you very much. Let's see in our next video. Thank you.